So we're in Dzików, about to enter the Greek Orthodox Church of Saint Dimitri from turn of a century, exactly from 1904. And it's a splendid neo-Moorish building with a certain oriental style to the church itself. Of course, abandoned after World War II, when all of the Greek Catholic population, which means Ukrainian population, Ruthenian population, was being deported out of those areas by the communist authorities due to Action Vistula, of deportation of ethnic minorities from Eastern Poland and settling them in Western Poland, or the best, expelling them from the country to Ukraine. So pretty much the church was abandoned since just after World War II. The installations you can see filling this church, which is looking kind of suspicious, of bunk beds. Those are film props for the Katyń soldiers and officers, and just before being taken to places like Katyń, Kharkov and Miednoje to be shot by NKVD in spring of 1940. So all of those bunk beds you see here are just the props for the film.